Could a new Supreme Court decision give political parties more influence in the Texas U.S. Senate race? The High Court ruled yesterday that national party committees can spend unlimited amounts of money in coordination with their candidates. While supporters say the change will give parties a bigger role in campaigns, critics warn that it could give wealthy donors even more influence.
And state Capitol correspondent Adam Schwager breaks down this ruling and what it could mean for the Ken Paxton-James Talarico race.
Tuesday morning, the Supreme Court ruled that political parties can now spend unlimited amounts of money when they coordinate with campaigning candidates.
Before yesterday, a political candidate and their political party, whether it's Republican or Democrat, could not get together and coordinate on what their advertising might look like, what their polling might look like.
Trey Traynor is a Republican attorney and a former federal election commissioner.
I think we're going to see a large migration of money away from super PAC elements and more towards the political parties.
Traynor says this ruling could have consequences in the U.S. Senate race. Democratic State Representative James Talarico is far out fundraising Republican Attorney General Ken Paxton. The ruling could give the party power to close that gap.
It's definitely something that benefits the Paxton campaign now that they have the ability to coordinate in that expenditure to support the Paxton campaign.
In a statement, the National Republican Senatorial Committee said the court has restored core political speech and ensured parties can compete on a level playing field. Democrats slammed the decision. Today's ruling is a win for billionaire donors and special interests, they said in a statement. They know voters will hold them accountable in November, which is exactly why they are rewriting the rules. Traynor thinks the DNC's assessment is flawed.
The political parties are some of the most regulated organizations that participate in politics. So if the money is moving into the parties, that means more transparency and more disclosure.
The ruling comes as national Republicans hold a major fundraising advantage. The RNC reported $125 million in cash on hand, while the DNC reported being $4 million in debt. In Austin, I'm Adam Schwager.
While the decision allows unlimited coordination between parties and candidates, federal contribution limits remain in place. An individual can currently give more than $44,000 per year to a national party committee's operating account, compared to just $3,500 per election to a federal candidate.